man. Look at this thing. This thing's nice, man. He got the lamb on here. You see him? These two looking good sitting next to each other, man. The Huracan and Angel's McLaren. We got the burnout video of this. He killed it in this thing yesterday. Nasty. Yeah, Angel look good in this thing, man. Yeah, the burnout video. Look, and he got a 360 Spider sitting right next to it, and the chrome wheels on this thing. Nasty, nasty on this thing. I like this. I like this. For real, for real. Everybody in here checking these rides out. And they got a GTR sitting right here next to it, man. Check out the GTR. You see it? Ooh, all these look good, look good. For real, for real.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.